So on this Avianca flight, it comes with a Amenity kit from Salvador Ferragamo that includes tissue pack, eye mask, getting some good rest, these covers for your headphones, which is interesting, some instructions, just put that back there, lip balm, some good hand cream, some socks, pen, and a toothbrush with a tiny bit of toothpaste, just enough to brush your dirty teeth. And here's a little bit more of of the features. They have a little wall you can slide up, privacy wall, slide that back down. Here's the controls to control your chair. There's a lot of adjustment options. You want to sit upright, lay down, all that good stuff. Pretty self-explanatory.